What's up, Chocolate Beauty? Thank you for your comment. She said it's $900 to start. Actually, it depends on what program you want to come in at. We have a $100 program. We have a $300 program. That's the program I started with. And by the way, I'm not ashamed to say I used Afterpay when I started, so I only paid $75. We have a $600 program, and we have a $900 program. With all of those programs, you can start by paying the full price, or you can do like me and use Afterpay or Klarna or Affirm to pay a little cheaper. You're going to have to pay every other week or once a month, however that looks. But you don't got to pay $900 to start. However, $900 is our #1 selling program, but you don't have to start there. If anybody else got any questions, just shoot me a DM or go to that link in my bio, www.getpaidwithranks.com. Give me your best email address, and I'll send you out the information to the program that Chocolate Beauty is talking about. Peace, love, and positive vibes, y'all. Be great.